Judge Bender, can you tell us a little bit more about your belief in mediation and how you are supporting that work?
Mediation is an incredible process, and it has a great many advantages. The most important part about mediation is that the result is can be very long-lasting because it depends upon the people involved coming to an agreement that they're both comfortable with. It's a win-win for everybody. And because everybody is comfortable with it, they are more apt to stay with the resolution. So mediation encourages communication, which is often the greatest difficulty that people are having. People often disagree with each other, but they don't understand that they really don't disagree with each other, and they become angry, and then it spirals, and the dynamic between them becomes worse and worse. So if two people can sit down at a mediation table with a mediator who will help facilitate that process, and they talk about what's important to them, one, they'll hear why it's important to the other person, and often they'll realize that there's a solution that both people would be happy with. So we have the greatest court system in the world, but it doesn't facilitate people communicating with each other. That's not its purpose. It's there to resolve conflict. The rules of evidence are there to ensure that only reliable information comes into the courtroom, and so the finder of fact can rely on things that are reliable. But people don't have the opportunity in the courtroom to express themselves to each other, whereas at the mediation table they do. I'm a big proponent of mediation because it helps people resolve their issues quickly. If it's a divorce, I mean, I've had people come to an agreement and go to court and be done in a matter of a couple months, as opposed to 2 years of heavy litigation, and that saves them a great deal of anxiety. And in turn, it stops the children from having to live through that anxiety-ridden situation.